Hello guys, makikimarites lang tayo guys. Gusto ko yung tub nila guys. Ito actually ang tub ng aming neighbor. Maganda to guys kasi kahit winter, you can use that tub guys. Kaya lang I would say na medyo malakas yan sa kuryente kasi dapat laging nakasampak to maintain the temperature of the water guys. Kaya ayun lang problema dyan guys. Ayun ang downside doon. And ang pinaka-highlight po na gustong pakita sa inyo ay ang kanyang garden guys, kasi dito guys malinis, so konti na lang gugupitin niya guys, pero dito guys napakaganda kasi gumawa siya ng parang elevated yung kanyang ang kanyang lawn, and then dyan na lang niya nilagay ang iba't ibang klase ng kanyang halaman guys. So it's kind of neat kasi dito walang halaman, all he has there is the tub, at dito naman guys ay punong-puno ng bulaklak at iba-ibang klaseng halaman. So what do you think about it?